Hello you guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make sweet and spicy chicken wings. These wings are so easy to make. They can be made on the grill or in the oven. I'll show you both methods. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and turn on your notification bell. That way you never miss a video. Let's get started. Alright you guys, in my bowl I have 2 pounds of chicken wings. I already cut up my chicken wings and I'm going to show you how I cut them up. When you buy your chicken wings, they come looking like this. You're going to snip off this part and discard it. Next, you're going to stretch out the wing to locate the joint. Cut through the joint to separate the wingette from the drumette. So you end up with 2 separate parts like these. Okay, now that we've cut up the wings, we're going to season them with some spices. So in my bowl, I have some salt and pepper. I also have a teaspoon each of paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. Go ahead and toss the spices onto the chicken. Next, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then you're going to toss everything together. I like my chicken to sit and soak in the spices. So after everything is mixed in, I'm going to place this in the fridge to marinate for about 2 hours. So it's been 2 hours and my chicken has finished marinating. I'm going to show you how to grill half of them, and the other half I'll show you how to bake them in the oven. So this is the grill I'm using. This grill was sent to me by Captain Cook to use in today's video. I'll leave a link to this below. This has a stove, a grill, and an oven all in one. So I'll be multitasking, grilling and baking the wings at the same time. I preheated my grill to 425 Fahrenheit. The fire is blazing hot, just how I like it. I'm going to pull out the grill compartment and place half of my chicken onto the grill. You're going to grill your wings for 45 minutes, but make sure you turn them every 3 to 5 minutes, that way they don't burn. Now that we have half of the wings grilling, I'm going to show you how to bake the other half. I place them on a baking sheet. Make sure you spray the baking sheet with nonstick spray, that way nothing sticks. You're going to place the wings in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, but you're going to turn them over halfway through the baking time. So it's half the baking time and I'm going to turn my wings over. They're sizzling and they're looking really good. While the wings are still baking, I'm going to turn the grilled wings over. Like I said earlier, you have to turn them over every 3 to 5 minutes. One thing I like about this grill is it doesn't smoke at all. I really like that. It makes cooking indoors very easy. I also like how portable it is. You can take it anywhere, like a nice barbecue or picnic. Alright, moving on. So while we have the wings grilling and baking, we're going to make the very delicious sweet and spicy sauce. I have 3 tablespoons of butter melting in a pan over medium heat. As soon as the butter has melted, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of Sriracha spicy sauce. We're also going to add the sweetness, which is 3 tablespoons of honey. We're also adding 1 teaspoon each soy sauce and balsamic vinegar. I am also grating in a little bit of fresh ginger, about half a teaspoon. And last, I'm going to grate in 1 clove of garlic. We're just going to toss everything in and let the sauce simmer for about a minute to bring all the flavors together. And that's all for the sweet and spicy sauce. We're going to set this aside for later. So this is the finished product. The baked wings look really good. They're golden brown and crispy on the outside. The grilled wings look really good as well. Also, this grill and oven cooks food really fast. It didn't take the full 45 minutes to cook the chicken. It took about 20 minutes, which was really nice. I went ahead and placed my chicken in a bowl. I'm going to pour my sweet and spicy sauce all over them. Toss them together, and that's it for this recipe. Very easy and simple. The wings came out perfectly baked and grilled. The sauce is very tasty. It's not too sweet or too spicy. It has the perfect balance. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there.